The Joule Heating Interactive Calculator helps you analyze electrical heating effects in conductors and components. Let's explore the calculator's features. First, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Select Calculation Mode with 6 options: Power from Current and Resistance, Power from Voltage and Resistance, Current from Power and Resistance, Resistance from Power and Current, Energy from Power and Time, and Temperature Rise in Conductor. For this demonstration, I've selected Power from Current and Resistance. Below that are 7 input fields: current in amperes, voltage in volts, resistance in ohms, power in watts, time in seconds, mass in kilograms, and specific heat in joules per kilogram Kelvin. For our worked example, I'll enter current equals 5.00 amperes and resistance equals 10.00 ohms. The other fields show default values, but aren't used in this calculation mode. After clicking Calculate, the results show that the power dissipated equals 250.000 watts, and voltage equals 50.000 volts. This tells us that 5 amps flowing through 10 ohms of resistance generates 250 watts of heat, with 50 volts drop across the resistor. This tool streamlines thermal analysis for your electrical designs. Find the link in the description below.